Everyone, so welcome back to the channel. I'm Mukul Malhotra, and today we are starting a brand new and highly important series on AI model security. So, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries in healthcare, banking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, autonomous systems, and enterprise applications. But while organizations are rapidly adopting AI, most of them are not focusing enough on security AI systems. And that creates a completely new attack surface. So in this video, we will understand matters, common AI attack surfaces, different type of attack which are in AI, and the real world risk. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this will be the foundation for all upcoming AI security videos on this channel. So let's get started with what is AI model security. So AI model security refers to protecting AI models, datasets, machine learning pipelines, APIs, interference systems, and AI applications from attacks, misuse, manipulation, and unauthorized access. So in additional cybersecurity, we mostly secure applications, servers, operating systems, networks, and cloud infrastructure. But AI introduces new security challenges where the attackers can now target training datasets, model behavior, prompts, embeddings, at model weights, and even AI generated outputs. So, AI security is not just infrastructure security anymore, it's about protecting the intelligence layer itself. So, why AI security is important? So, let's take a simple example. Imagine a bank using AI for fraud detection. If an attacker manipulates the training data, the AI system may start approving fraudulent transactions. Or imagine an AI chatbot leaking confidential company information because of a prompt injection attack. Or attackers stealing a proprietary AI model worth millions of dollars. These are all real world concerns. That's why organizations are now investing heavily in AI governance, AI red teaming, secure AI pipelines, model scanning, adversarial testing, and AI compliance. So, because insecure AI systems can lead to financial losses, data breaches, wrong predictions, compliance violations, reputation damage, and business disruption. So now let's get understand the basic AI ML architecture. Yeah, where basically um, let me explain you. So what are the stages um, involved in it? So data comes from databases, APIs, websites, third-party sources, and user inputs. Processing. The collected data is cleaned, transformed, validated, and prepared for training. Model training. So AI models are trained using frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face. Model storage. The trained models are stored in cloud storage, artifact repositories, or model registries. Deployments. Deployments are deployed using Docker, Kubernetes, APIs, or inference servers. So interference, users interact with AI applications through web apps, mobile apps, chatbots, enterprise systems. And the important thing is every single stage can become an attack surface. So this was all about our today's video. Uh, I'll come up with my next video, which is the model scanning. So till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for new videos.